Snoring might seem harmless, but what if it's actually a red flag for something serious? If your snoring is loud, frequent, and comes with gasping or choking sounds, it could be sleep apnea, a disorder that stops your breathing while you sleep. Untreated, it increases your risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and even heart attacks. If you feel tired even after a full night's rest, it's time to take it seriously. Don't ignore the signs. Talk to a doctor or sleep specialist today. Better sleep equals better life. Share this to help someone who might not know.